to add ChatGPT on your iPhone 17 Air control panel. Open up your control panel and press and hold. Press on add a controller. Then here you can see the ChatGPT option. If you don't see this option, then you need to go your setting and you need to go your Apple Intelligent, and from here you can see the ChatGPT. You need to enable this option. So once you enable this option, then you can press and hold add a controller. Then you can easily add ChatGPT on your iPhone. It's a voice mode. Now if you press the voice mode, your ChatGPT will be enabled. Or another way, if you press the side button, then you can see my ChatGPT will be automatically enabled. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and
Hey, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
have a good
How about
day.
you?